Most owners think burning oil means a dead engine. They see a $6,000 repair bill for piston rings or full rebuild. But look at this single image. This tiny plastic component is the silent killer of modern reliability. In Tier 1 markets, this mistake is costing thousands in unnecessary repairs. Today, we perform a forensic audit on the most overlooked failure point in automotive engineering, the PCV system. Look closely at this visual. This is a clogged PCV valve from a 2022 turbocharged engine with only 40,000 miles. It looks insignificant, but it's the lung of your engine. When it fails, internal pressure spikes, forcing oil past seals and into the combustion chamber. This isn't a wear and tear issue. It's a design bottleneck that turns a healthy engine into an oil-burning disaster. Forensic evidence from Blackstone Labs shows that excessive blow-by gases, if not vented correctly, contaminate your oil prematurely. This leads to carbon buildup on intake valves, a nightmare for direct injection engines. Most mechanics will tell you to just top it off. That is a financial trap. Ignoring this $20 part leads to fouled spark plugs, ruined catalytic converters, and eventually, total engine seizure. Why do manufacturers use plastic here? Weight reduction and cost. But the investigative truth is deeper. Modern emission standards require tighter tolerances. This part is engineered to satisfy the first owner during the warranty period, but it becomes a time bomb for the second-hand market. If you are buying a used vehicle in 2026, checking the specific component is your first line of financial defense. How do you spot the failure before the smoke appears? Watch for erratic idling or a slight whistle from the engine bay. A simple forensic test with the engine running. Try to remove the oil filler cap. If there's extreme suction or pressure, your PCV is compromised. This 10-second check can save you from a low oil pressure warning that usually signals the point of no return for your bearings. Here is the real solution. Don't wait for the dealership's scheduled maintenance. In the USA and UK, service intervals are often stretched 0.2 miles to lower cost of ownership rankings. Forensic data suggests replacing this valve every 30,000 miles, regardless of what the manual says. It's a $20 part that takes 10 minutes to install with basic tools. This is the A1 quality maintenance hack. Let's look at the math. A new catalytic converter costs $1,500. A turbocharger replacement is $2,500. A full engine rebuild, $6,000. Minimum. By spending $20 today, you are essentially buying insurance against the 3 most expensive repairs in modern motoring. This is the financial literacy every car owner needs. Stop feeding your engine oil and fix the root cause. Modern cars are not unreliable. They are just sensitive. The era of set it and forget it is over. Success in 2026 ownership comes down to identifying E&E engineered weak points before they trigger a cascade failure. If this forensic insight helped you save your engine, ensure your maintenance logs are updated. It adds massive resale value. Stay investigative, stay protected. Thank you for watching AutoSight.